Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and today I got something special for y'all, man. Check this out. I got the Galaxy Note 10, man. Yep, that actually just happened. Now, here's the thing. This is actually a Christmas present from my mom, so shh, don't tell her. But yeah, I got it. But I still got to go ahead and unbox this thing so I can go ahead and get it on T-Mobile for her and unlock it. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so yeah, like I said, I got this as a Christmas present from my mom. I wish there wasn't an AT&T logo literally on the front, but I mean, it is what it is. So yeah, I got a basic Galaxy Note 10, not thinking that I wasn't getting the Note 10 Plus. I thought I was getting the Note 10 Plus, but like when I told the person at Best Buy that I wanted an S10 Plus, she said I should go ahead and get this. So yeah, I went ahead and went with this. She said it was a little bit cheaper actually, and I'm pretty sure that might be true. But yeah, like I said, I got the basic Note 10. I told myself I was gonna stay away from this, and I still am. I mean, it's not gonna be my phone. But I guess my mom doesn't really need a Note 10 Plus, but I got her the Aura Glow color here, and it's gonna be dope. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. But yeah, my mom actually got the Note 5, and it's like the end of the year right now of 2019, so you know that's pretty old. But yeah, my mom actually got the Galaxy Note 5, and it's like the end of the year of 2019 right now, so you know that's pretty old. But that's not even it. Like, she got the Note 5, but like when people call her, she just misses their calls for some reason. It just goes straight to voicemail, even if she has service. So yeah, I mean, she complains about her phone all the time, so she's about due for an upgrade. So I got that upgrade for her. So yeah, we got the AT&T logo, we got Galaxy Note 5, we got all my info right there. I don't want to show. Just got the model number in my IMEI and all that stuff. We actually got an Aura Glow Silver, like I said, 256 gigs. And yeah, so let's go ahead and bust into this box. So let's go ahead and lift this up here. And there's our Galaxy Note 10. Here it is. Man, that's so colorful. What is going on with that? Wow, that is one colorful phone. Man, that looks beautiful. Wow, okay, I really didn't expect that. I saw it in person, but like, wow, that's crazy. Yeah, she's gonna love this color, I'm telling y'all. So yeah, we got a Galaxy Note 10 here at the bottom. We got aligned ports. Like, this isn't misaligned, they're actually aligned with each other. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you my Galaxy Fold. So yeah, this has been Samsung for years now, where the ports haven't been aligned until now. So yeah, you can see here, like with the speaker ports, the USB-C port isn't aligned with that. And even like the microphone right there, that's not even aligned. But then when you look at the Galaxy Note 10, it is, so that's dope. I was thinking about getting the Star Wars edition for her, but I was just like, nah, not really. Maybe I'll buy it and then like sell it in the future, because I know it might have a decent resale value. Got the blue S Pen right there, so let's go ahead and put that back in there. It's a nice feeling, man, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, she uses the S Pen a lot too, so she's really gonna like this phone. But on the right side, as you probably already know, we don't have anything. On the left side, we just have our volume buttons and our power button. And at the top, we have our speaker. Yes, that's a speaker. We have our SIM card slot. This doesn't have an SD card slot on the smaller one. She doesn't really need it anyways though. And then we get a microphone. So this is actually weird. You got to get used to this by pressing the power button on the left side, not the right side. So yeah, there we go, Galaxy Note 10. And of course, yeah, there's no headphone jack on here, so I gotta get her an adapter, I guess. And yeah, new AT&T logo here. It actually says AT&T instead of just a logo. But yeah, starting Android here. And I'm not gonna get too deep into this. But yeah, man, this phone really is beautiful though. We got our camera there in the middle, and this is still showing up on TV for that Star Wars commercial Samsung just keeps pushing on us. You know, that one Samsung Star Wars commercial with the guy, or wait, is that a girl? I don't even know. I really don't want to sound rude, okay? But I just really don't know what gender they are. That just sounds so bad. But okay, I don't want to get too deep into that. I really just don't want to. But yeah, I know that commercial still shows up a lot, and I know she's gonna be happy that she got the newest phone, and she got the most colorful phone, so it's gonna stand out a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get her an adapter, because like in her car she only has aux, so she's gonna have to borrow mine for now until I go ahead and get the little $10 one from Best Buy. And it's an Apple adapter. So yeah, let's look in the box more. So in the box, we got our AT&T user manual. I'm not gonna throw that to the side because this is her phone. It comes with a screen protector. Wow, I really didn't notice. And then we have our headphones here. So this is some USB-C headphones. And then we get our charger here. So we get USB-C to USB-C. We have our SIM card ejector and this tiny little thing here that's really unusual. I guess the AT&T box is different. I really don't like that though. And then we got our S Pen nibs and everything here. And this is actually to remove the S Pen nib. This little metal thing right here, yeah, you just squeeze it onto the S Pen nib and then you just take it out. We get our OTG adapter here for smart switch, or just go ahead and plug in your flash drive or whatever you need to do. And then you get get your fast charger. So what is this, 15 watt or 25 watts? I'm pretty sure this is 25 watts, so yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much all I got for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the box now. So basically, here's what I'm gonna do. So I'm not even gonna wrap this up or anything. I'm gonna just trick her into thinking I'm not getting her anything for Christmas, because I don't know why, I'm just a terrible person. And then when we're wrapping this up and throwing away all the Christmas wrappings, I'm gonna just go ahead and pull it out of nowhere and just give it to her. And I want to record her reaction, so maybe I will, and maybe I'll include it in this video. Too bad I lied to you. What? I got you a phone.
What? Oh, you didn't have to give me anything. Wow.
So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give the video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. And peace out. Happy holidays.